Hey guys, in this video I'll show you I'm just gonna quickly take this down and then I'll grab my hairbrush, some bobby pins, and hair elastic for these hairstyles. My hair is all down now and parted to the side that I want. So on that side I am going to start off doing a braid, so I'll split that into 3 and slowly adding each time I go down. I am not bringing this braid directly down the side of my face. I'm bringing it slightly back because it's all going to blend into a ponytail. Once I have it up, I'm just slightly pulling it out so it looks a little messy, and then I'll start creating a bun. I'm grabbing all the hair from the ponytail and wrapping it around. You can secure it by either adding it into your elastic or using a bobby pin like I am. This was quick and easy, and it is one of my favorite summer looks, especially with this shirt. It just reminds me of something I should be wearing in Greece. This next one is another very simple hairstyle, and it's also a little more sleek. I'm using my comb to section off my hair, and whatever way you prefer to part your hair, it will work for these hairstyles. So now I'm just creating a sleek ponytail. When wrapping the elastic around the ponytail, you're not going to want to pull the hair all the way through. You're going to stop and create half of a bun. With the rest of the hair sticking out, you'll wrap that around the hair elastic to cover the band. Then I'll take bobby pins and secure the hair with that. You can't go wrong with a classic look like this. This next look, I'm going to be putting all my hair back into the ponytail, and then I'll be working from there. Once your hair is up, you'll take small 1-inch sections or less, and you will kind of create a knot like you're tying a shoe. And each time you're moving down, you're adding to each piece. I'll let the video play, and hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing as I'm going down. If you have some layers like I do, you might have a bit of trouble with a few pieces sticking out, but you can always use some pins to secure it afterwards. Once you get to the bottom, you'll tuck the pieces under into the elastic. You might need a bit of practice with this style, but it's super cute and something a little more unique. Next, I'm going to create a fishtail braid. I'll part the ponytail into 2, and then I'll take little sections, crossing them over each time. So this is just like creating a 3-strand braid, but you are only using 2 pieces. You will see here in the video how I'm crossing my sections, so just follow along as I work my way down. I'll slow the video down here so you can see exactly how I'm bringing the sections over and crossing it.
I know I have to pay for the mistakes I made, but I hope you know that I regret every single thing I did. Just tell me your life.
I'll then use a clear elastic at the end of the braid, and then I'll start wrapping the braid around and creating a bun. As I'm wrapping it around, I'm also pulling out a few pieces slightly just to give it a little more volume. I don't want this bun to be looking too tight. Then tuck the end of the braid into the bun and secure it with the elastic that's hidden underneath. This is it, you guys. I hope I gave you some quick and easy ideas to throw your hair up for the summer. I hope you guys enjoyed these few ideas, and I'll see you in my next video.